This is a 2016 Fanimation Belleria ceiling fan that I got from the summer 2017 Fanimation group trip new box. It was about to be scrapped because no one wanted it, but I just grabbed it because it was there. It's a white one. These are now discontinued for I think 2020. So they have been discontinued for 1 year now, but they are still on the closeout page on the Fanimation site because they probably have a ton of these extra because these were pretty expensive outdoor fans. So I've had this up since 2019. You've probably seen the ceiling fans in my house videos where I featured this. I just never made a video of it, but now I'm making a video of it. It's quite kind of cold right now. It's 54. It's not that cold, but I'm not wearing that much, so it's kind of cold. So low speed. Sound forward. The blades did not come with this fan. I bought the blades separately. They're the 22-inch ABS beamboard blades. It is also totally silent on all 3 speeds. It's a very high quality fan. A couple days ago, it was -1, and we're in May, so that's Michigan temperatures for you. So today's actually pretty warm. Now medium speed. When I first installed this fan had no wobble and was totally silent. But now that it's been outside for around 2 years, the wind has moved the blades around, so it wobbles a little bit. But I still wouldn't say it's wobble because it's so little. Now high speed. These fans don't go super fast, but they have a 22-degree blade pitch. It has a 188 motor and is a good air mover. Can't really tell from the air right now because it's pretty windy today, but when there's no wind, you can definitely tell that there's wind. Now off. I'm probably going to reinstall the wires on this because I made a temporary rig, so I'm probably going to run conduit up there and do it properly in the summertime. Some close-ups. So you can see the motor screws, they are not actually Phillips, they're like a Allen wrench style. And Fanimation included a tool to do that, so that was handy. It's kind of dirty because it's outside, and I haven't cleaned it since last year's summer. And that is not rust, that's the grease that's coming from the bearing right there. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.